Hey there, folks. Still another day, and this is my pod season. And today I will walk the dog. Nah, I will eat the dog. Pimenta Da Dog. This beautiful little pepper. Orange, a little gnarly, and looking like, well, a medium small habanero. But I can assure you that this one is super hot. I couldn't find any Scoville heat unit for this one, so I went into Telenet to see, and the scale there said it was at 10 plus plus, so I think this one is up to 1.5 million Scoville heat units. But let's see. Let's do this. So I got this Pimenta Da Dog from TJ Burnz. Big thanks, friend. So I have seen the video when he tried this one. Pimenta Da Dog hurt him bad. So I hope this one will hurt me bad too. So I picked 5 to see if the first one is a little bad. I will try the next one and the next one until I find one that's good. So let's cut this one open to see how it looks like. Looking good. Quite good amount of seeds. Little oil, pretty much oily. Look at this. And I will take out some of the seeds because I think I will like this pepper. But the seed doesn't look good. They all have a black dot in the middle. But I hope I will have 2 seeds. That's fine. So looks like 1 seed is okay. Well, let's see how it smells. Sweet, very sweet. I think I like this pod. Sweet and exotic. A hint of oh, yeah, hint of citrus. So pick the stem. So this is Pimenta Da Dog, the super hot pepper, and this is me, Mickey's Äventyr. Let's have it. instant heat, building rapidly, but the taste, all floral. Blistering pain all over the tongue. This one is hot. This one is super hot. Now I can taste some fruitiness, but the sweetness that I smelled, nothing at all. Now the heat migrates down, back at the throat, but the most pain is back of the tongue. Still building. But it's nothing I can't handle. But I feel that I haven't eaten so many superhots lately. So this one hurts. Now all the heat is back at the throat, causing havoc. Still building. This is the sorry. This is the hottest pepper I have eaten in over a month, I think. This one is a keeper. Nice heat. Still building. No heat at the tongue, but all heat is back at the throat. Building. I can feel it going down the stomach. Can still feel the floralness, but also the fruitiness. Pretty soft chewed. And the heat came quickly, so to swallow it was an ordeal. God. It's really pain in my throat. Someone's shooting nails. Now I think it has peaked. Yeah. Wow. Nice heat. Well, it's fading away very slowly. Heat-wise for me, this one is a 5. For a normie, it's a no-go. For a normie, it's a 10 plus 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 plus. And thoughts of death. So no, non-chili head should not eat this one. Well, that's all from me. In Heat I Trust, take care out there and be safe. Goodbye.